surprising amount to create all these facial expressions that we have, and so I'm going to be doing some work on some of those muscles. Right? And then I'm also going to be working on some sensory points that will cause reflexes to help with some range. You can do this on your own very easily. And I usually tell people in the allergy time, it's like, you don't just have to take Allegra. There's other ways of working on some of those things, and this is one of them. Oftentimes I'll just help people get like a really kind of intense, like, just get face wash and then just work these areas that way in a hot shower. It's like a great time to do some self sinus massage, relaxing. Gentle lymphatic work before I get into working the next sinuses. My oldest is like 3 now. She's starting to request like she had great. She wants me to work on her neck and stuff like that. And her awareness is actually like surprisingly good. Like she's like, Dad, the right side of my neck is feeling a little tight. And I'm like, okay. Like she just like kind of get me to work on her, just like kind of get an attention. I'm like, oh my gosh, actually the right side of your neck is actually just a little bit tight. You're not too far off on that. I've given lots of baby massages recently, like a ton. And they love it. My 11-month-old, I'll like massage her back a little bit while she's like falling asleep and just kind of gently work on it. And like connect everything. Lips together, teeth apart, the tongue to the roof of your mouth in there. And it just relaxes. There we go. Gently open your jaw. Go. Good. And relax. Gently open. This is Flex Balm. Carly, we tag it. It's good stuff. Don't get it in your eyes. your neck and chair in just a second. But first, I want to work on your mid back, okay?
Okay.
Let me get you the tissue. Normally I talk a lot in videos and explain what I'm doing. I'm just not doing that in this video. I'm just trying to give her a relaxing experience, so that's why I'm not speaking a lot. You're welcome, of course. You can relax on your stomach here for me. This is like the soon-to-be newlywed experience. We're just trying to relax, okay? Got enough things going on, alright? Don't need to worry about, you know, the YouTube video in the back. We're just here, okay? Scrubs. These just, you can't move in these things. Go back to the underarm. Feel that stress. Take a deep breath in for me. Exhale. And easy out. Rest your shoulders. Relax your head. Let that pressure fall. Good. Good. Easy. Nice. There you go. Nice. Good.
Yeah.
Awesome. You can sit right there for me. So you're in occupational therapy now, right?
I am.
What hospital are you working at?
University of Maryland.
Nice. What population?
I see adults in the psychiatry unit.
Do you? Good for you. Turn left for me. Turn right. Stand. Good. You move relatively well. We'll work on that right there, okay?
Okay.
Pressure. Good. Settle your shoulders. Good job. Be really gentle on this side, okay? More gentle. Just pressure. Pressure. And settle. I got you. There's the release right there, okay? Tension. Easy. Gotcha. All good?
Yeah, it feels much better.
Wonderful. I hope you have a wonderful day. I really appreciate what she does, if you can't tell already. And it's cool. We have really good patients here, fortunate. But yeah, sometimes people are hurt and they're in pain. It's hard to work with them. She's a joy to work with. Like, it is an absolute pleasure to help her out. So I'm so excited for her future. I love the connection to the office with some of our past employees, Dr. Alec and her, our friends at Towson. And we got like to appreciate his smart ways and his ability to understand the topic and go into it. So we were talking about that last time, but yeah, so grateful to work with you. I hope you feel better.
Yeah,
thanks for watching.